back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on camera, but I hope you guys are all doing well. So today's video is going to be my 4 and 5 month update for my Microlocs. I just passed 5 months on the 12th, so what day was that? On Saturday. So yeah, there's a couple of changes with my hair. There's just a few. So I'll show you guys that as the video goes on. I'm currently in Michigan and it's sunny-ish outside, so I'm back home at my parents' house. My fiance and I came up to visit, and we also picked up my friend in Atlanta, so we drove up here from Orlando. So yeah, so one of my main things that have been happening is shrinkage. As you can see, my hair is not even like where it used to be, which is like right here. It is like all the way up here now. To combat shrinkage, even my braid outs aren't really combating my shrinkage. What I've been doing is, like, after a wash day and after my hair is dry, I put my hair into a top knot bun, and then that stretches my hair, and that's how I've been really wearing it. So I haven't been trying to get like much definition because my locks are actually thickening up, so my hair looks full majority of the time. Some are locking in the back. I'm looking at my notes on my laptop, by the way. But yeah, some locks are locking in the back. I can't even try to find some. It's kind of hard to see, honestly. Like, some of my locks are not, don't have as much shrinkage anymore. This one's still kind of curly. If I find some, I'll try to show you guys. But it's only a select few, it's not that many. So majority of my hair is still in the twist / braid formation. So hey, I'm still having a lot of unraveling. On our way up here in the car, since my fiance was driving, I was taking the time to actually interlock my hair, and I don't need really a mirror to interlock my hair in the back, so it wasn't that difficult for me to interlock my hair. I did use a mirror, like the car visor mirror, in the front to, you know, see what I was doing. We had made a little stop in Huntsville to go visit my friend, so she also helped me with some in the back. But I did like the front half completely by myself, and I had basically did it in the car for the most part, because it was a like 20-something hour drive. We drove from Florida to Huntsville, so I did a little bit on our way to Huntsville, and then from Huntsville to Atlanta to go pick up my friend, and then from Atlanta to Michigan. So mostly on the way from Atlanta to Michigan, I did the majority of my hair. And then I actually finished, yeah, I actually finished my whole entire head before we got to my house. So yeah, so I'm still having unraveling. So during that interlocking session, I was able to go ahead and braid each lock again, the ones that are unraveling really badly, but still they still unravel after I do a wash, which is very annoying. I have been braiding, but I haven't really been doing the banding part. I'll just twist the ends of my hair, because usually when I did 2-strand twists when I was a loose natural anyways, that's how I would wash my hair sometimes. So usually it stays, but and even after I wash my hair in the braids and I twist the ends, it still stays, but I still feel like that's contributing to some unraveling. So I need to go back and actually band my hair with rubber bands, instead of just leaving the ends twisted, you know. So yeah, I've been having some frizz, not as badly as like the first couple months, but I definitely do still have frizz. But I think that's contributing to my volume that I've been having. My hair has been very voluminous these past couple, actually the past couple weeks, really. It's really looking full. So I was doing like braid outs and stuff like that to make my hair look fuller, so it doesn't look all sparse, but I don't really have to do that anymore because it is pretty voluminous. And it's also shrinking up, so I have some locks up here. Yeah, some locks up here are just like staying at this length in comparison, you know. Maybe it's like the actual length of my hair, I don't know. but I feel like the locks up here in this section on this side and on the side as well are shrinking faster than the rest of my hair, which is kind of weird. So I was watching Danny O Cam. I'll put her name on the down here. Her 3 and 4 month update, and she was talking about how she has like a weird smell to her hair once she gets closer to wash day, and I'm having that same, like, not issue, but that same occurrence that's happening as well. Sorry, a car alarm is going off, or was going off, so I was trying to see if it was our cars, but no. Anyways, so yeah, I was saying about my hair smelling closer to wash day. It's not bad, but it's like I can smell like the sweat and wear and tear of my hair throughout the week, which is like really weird. I never had that happen with my like natural hair. So yeah, so I got an undercut. That's the next little segment of things I have been doing with my hair. I did get an undercut, so let me show you guys that right now. So I got the undercut. I did the last 3 rows of my hair, and I actually love it. My brother actually just did the design a couple days ago, so it's really cute. Before, my hair, I was like just interlocked, so it was like shaved down to like my skin, so you could even tell that I had an undercut, so it looked weird. So I just waited until it grew out to put a design in it. So I really like it right now. It's super cute. I'm probably gonna keep it for like a really long time, and keep on doing like different designs or whatever, and letting it just be an undercut. I don't plan on growing it out at all, basically. Not for a really long time at least. Definitely not until after I get married. So the reason, like the main reason I got an undercut was because the locks in the back kept unraveling, kept slipping. Like I'll literally go in 1 week and interlock the back like 2-3 rows of my hair, and then a week later it'll be slipping again. And I'm like, I don't know why it was doing that. I don't know if it was because my hair in the back is like super soft. It's like the same texture as up here, but it's like softer. So maybe that's what was causing the slippage. But I was like, you know what, I want to undercut anyways, so I'm glad I got those taken off. So it's whatever. Those locks also kept like tangling at the root and marrying and stuff like that, so it was really difficult to maintain. So I'm not mad about it at all. And the last little update is that I colored, actually just yesterday, the bottom like 1/3 of my hair, just the ends, and it's like a navy-ish blue. I don't even know if you can see it right now. Oh, Blue Jay. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it right now, but if you can see the contrast, the difference, I have no clue because this outside light, me looking at the camera is not doing me any justice. I can't see what you guys are seeing for real, but I did color the bottom like 1/3. It's not even the bottom half, but the bottom 1/3 of like layered wise. And then I only did like probably about this much of my locks. I didn't do the whole entire lock. So I did bleach it. I bleached it more than recommended because my hair doesn't lift easily. My hair is actually like really dark, so I let the bleach sit for like 40 minutes and it still wasn't even the color I had wanted it to be. But I was like, whatever, I don't feel like bleaching my hair anymore, so I just rinsed it out. It was like an orangey color more than like a yellow or a blonde color, so I was like, whatever. And then I put the semi-permanent dye on top. I used Adore and this other dye, if I can remember what the dye is, because I threw away the bottles and I don't even remember what color I used, to be honest. I should have kept that, but it didn't come out it didn't come out the expected color anyways. I mixed two colors together. I was hoping it was gonna be more purple, but it's more like navy blue, which is, I mean, very subtle, so I'm not mad at it. Once it like starts rinsing out more, I'm probably gonna go over it with like straight up purple instead of having the mixture of the purple and the blue. But I'll put the name of the dye and the color in the description box below so that you guys can know like what color I use. I forgot to mention that after I bleached my hair, I usually don't use conditioner in my hair, but since my hair is bleached on the back sections, I picked up this deep conditioner from Sally Beauty. They're actually having a sale right now, 2 for $15 of their Texture ID brand, or the Texture ID line. All the lines are actually 2 for $15, so this is what I've been using, or what I used, and my hair feels really soft. It doesn't feel like super gross or hard or anything like that. It still feels like I did before I bleached it, and that was like one of my biggest worries, was that it was gonna feel different and like be dry and stuff. So this did really well at keeping my hair moisturized. I am going to continue using the deep conditioner, probably not every single week, but every other week, just on the parts that are bleached, not on my whole head, because it's not going to need it on my whole entire head. So yeah, I think that's really it for this 4 and 5 month update. There hasn't really been anything different, any other changes other than what I've been talking about with my hair. I interlocked my hair when we came up to Michigan, so that's been about like a week and a half now, and I feel like my hair is like growing super fast or something, because I don't need to, but like 2 more weeks and I'll definitely have to interlock my hair again. So yeah, so let me give you guys a 360 of my hair, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.